Welcome to this tutorial on using the PayPal mobile app. The PayPal mobile app is a convenient and secure way to manage your PayPal account on the go. To get started, download and install the PayPal mobile app from the App Store on your device. Once you have installed the app, open it and sign in to your PayPal account using your email address and password. If you do not have a PayPal account, you can create one directly from the app. After signing in, you will be taken to the home screen where you can view your account balance and recent transactions. From here, you can navigate to different sections of the app, including Send and Request Money, Pay with PayPal, and Wallet. To send money, tap on the Send and Request Money tab and enter the recipient's email address or phone number. Enter the amount you want to send and add a note if needed. You can choose to pay from your PayPal balance, bank account, or credit card. To request money, tap on the Request Money tab and enter the sender's email address or phone number. Enter the amount you want to request and add a note if needed. The sender will receive an email or notification with a link to pay you. The PayPal mobile app also allows you to pay with PayPal in stores and online. To pay in stores, tap on the Pay with PayPal tab and generate a QR code or barcode that the merchant can scan to process the payment. In addition to these features, the PayPal mobile app also provides a wallet section where you can add and manage your credit and debit cards, bank accounts, and other payment methods. You can also view your transaction history and account statements from this section. To ensure the security of your account, the PayPal mobile app provides several security features, including two-factor authentication and fingerprint or face recognition login. It is also important to keep your app and device up to date with the latest security patches and updates. In conclusion, the PayPal mobile app is a powerful tool for managing your PayPal account on the go. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely and conveniently send and request money, pay with PayPal, and manage your account from your mobile device.